welcome to our channel. Oh, never mind. Our channel. Welcome to our channel.
Welcome to my channel.
Hey, Irie, what time is it?
It's time to make a video.
It is time to make a video, so let's go make a
Video! And it's my YouTube.
No, it's my YouTube.
It's mine.
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 Nah. Hi, it's Miss Tenny and welcome back to Story Time. Today we are going to play my favorite game. It's called What's the Time, Mr. Wolf? Okay, so are you ready to play this game with me? So, children, can you say, "What's the time, Mr. Wolf?" Ready?
What's the time, Mr. Wolf?
Now, whatever Mr. Wolf tells you to do, you have to do that. All right? If he tells you to brush your teeth, you have to brush your teeth. If he tells you to go and eat some cookies, then you have to go eat some cookies. But if Mr. Wolf says, "Dinner time," then you better run and hide. Got it? So that Mr. Wolf won't catch you. Let's start the game.
What's the time, Mr. Wolf?
It's time to brush your teeth.
Okay, I'll brush my teeth. All clean now, Mr. Wolf.
What's the time, Mr. Wolf? I'm to be a fireman.
It's time to be a fireman. Where's the fire? I'll control it. I'm super strong. I got this under control. Get everybody out of this castle.
Time to fly like a bird. Time to do the silly dance.
Silly dance. Okay, Mr. Wolf. What's the time, Mr. Wolf?
It's time to play the guitar.
I know you. I know you. I know. I really know you. What's the time, Mr. Wolf?
It's time to read a book.
Okay, so let me show you what kind of book I have. I'm gonna read my favorite book, Zod.
I've got my favorite book too. We're still recording, making a video. Oh no. Oh dear.
The time, Mr. Wolf.
It's time to put on a mask.
Okay. This one. This one.
Silly. I meant this mask. We're gonna go out. Here you go.
Thank you.
Time to put on your masks. I'm ready.
Me too.
Double protection. Silly. Me too? Ready. Let's go, Irie. What's the time, Mr. Wolf?
It's time to go to bed.
Oh, great! Time to go to bed. Wonderful. Okay, good night.
Excuse me? Miss Tenny, excuse me? Excuse me, Mama? Mama, excuse me.
Whoa! What's going on?
You were fast asleep.
for bed.
That was for the video.
Oopsie. Sorry.
But it's time to finish the video. You have been sleeping.
Oh man.
Don't
Fine. It's time to do some jumping jacks.
How many?
10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time, Mr. Wolf?
It's dinner time! Ah! Dinner time! Remember when Mr. Wolf says dinner time, you have to run and hide. Okay. Dinner time! Dinner time! Dinner time! Dinner time, and I'm starving.
What's the time, Mr. Wolf?
Dinner time! Dinner time! It's time to say goodbye.
Say goodbye to the Mr. Wolf, or I will eat you.
Goodbye, Mr. Wolf! Goodbye! Bye!
Bye.
Thank you for watching.
And remember, there's a new channel called The Irie Show, and this is The Irie Show.
It's the Irie Show. Bye!
Bye.
Well, thank you for playing this game with me today. I hope you had fun. Love from Tokyo. Bye-bye. Matella. See you next time.
Bye.
Oop.